a night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island.
Ayaw ba eh?
Matilad din Limasawa at noon. The people with him are very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking we have done because Kastila gid an waray-waray man. Magellan din and Cebu City. Raha kumabot and they were very happy. All people were baptized under the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got to man, ordered his men to camouflage. Mactan Island we could not cross, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. When the battle began at dawn, bolos and spurs versus cannon. But when Magellan was hit on his knee, he trampled down and cried and cried. Mother, mother, I am sick. To call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Be still, do not cry. Be still, my mama, do not cry. Be still, my mama. Do not cry. Maraming salamat, brother. Happy birthday kung adunay nag-birthday. Maraming salamat
It's
po.
anniversary.
Ha?
It's anniversary.
Anniversary.
Wedding anniversary.
Wedding anniversary.
Yeah.
Okay, happy wedding anniversary,
Thank you.
my friends.
Thank you.
What is your nationality?
US.
US.